Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Ladies, are you ready to refresh your look with a stylish and sophisticated haircut? In today's video, we will explore stunning short hairstyles that are not only trendy but also easy to maintain and perfect for every occasion. A great short haircut can enhance your features, boost confidence, and give you a fresh, youthful appearance. Whether you want something sleek and polished, or texture or playful, short haircuts offer endless possibilities. With the right layers, waves, or soft curls, you can achieve a look that's both effortless and stylish. If you prefer a subtle yet sophisticated look, soft layers or gentle waves can enhance your natural beauty. These styles are timeless, flattering, and require minimal effort to maintain. Sometimes a bold change can be the best decision. Short, confident cuts can make a powerful statement, giving you a modern and youthful edges while still looking graceful and elegant. These short hairstyles are all about confidence and beauty at any age. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion and beauty inspiration. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. And please share my video with your friends and your family because everyone needs styling. Sharing your video will help them too and you will help me. Now I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my video I give you brand new hairstyle, haircuts and hair dye color ideas, which is about the latest trending haircuts, hairstyles and hair dye coloring ideas from all over the world that you can use to make your personality more charming and more beautiful. If you are a fashion lover and want to know the latest haircuts, hairstyles, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.